The courtroom was quiet except for the sound of the judge's gavel as the plaintiff, Rita Lauderdale, explained to Judge Judy that she was suing her former lover, Wendy Cabrera, for an unpaid car loan and 2 months of unpaid rent. The judge asked how long the two had lived together as a couple, to which Lauderdale responded that it had been around 3 or 4 months. Judge Judy then asked if the two knew each other from work, and Lauderdale confirmed that they did. The judge continued, asking if the arrangement had been that the two split expenses and rent, to which Lauderdale confirmed. However, Cabrera became ill and stopped working, leading to the end of their relationship. Lauderdale was now suing Cabrera for 2 months' rent and a car that she claimed was purchased for her, but was actually a loan. Cabrera argued that they were living together as a couple and that when she became sick, Lauderdale told her she could start paying rent again once she got back on her feet. She moved into Lauderdale's apartment, which she shared with her 3 children. The judge asked if Lauderdale was living alone with her children now, and Lauderdale confirmed that she was. Lauderdale also stated that she and Cabrera had a discussion about rent, and that Cabrera had agreed to pay $500 a month, but stopped paying when she got sick. Cabrera admitted to the conversation but claimed that their relationship had gone sour at that point. Judge Judy found this hard to believe and pointed out that normal people in a relationship wouldn't do this. Ms. Lauderdale then explained that she had bought a car for Ms. Cabrera when she was not working, and Ms. Cabrera had promised to pay her back. Judy asked Ms. Cabrera how much she was earning and how many days she was working, and she replied that she was earning under $200 a week and working 2-3 days a week. Ms. Lauderdale, on the other hand, was working full-time for 4-5 days a week. Judge Judy found the story hard to believe and asked Ms. Cabrera if she knew that Ms. Lauderdale was only working part-time. The story of unpaid rent and a car loan was not adding up, and Judge Judy was determined to get to the bottom of it. Ms. Cabrera had told her that she was working full-time before they moved in together. Ms. Lauderdale was unable to work due to an injury, and Ms. Cabrera helped her out by staying with her. However, after a while, they began to have problems, and Ms. Cabrera moved out in April. Ms. Lauderdale is currently receiving welfare benefits to support herself and her children. Ms. Cabrera claimed that the car was bought for her as a gift, and she needed it to get back and forth from work and to see her children. When their relationship began to deteriorate, Ms. Lauderdale asked her to pay $2,000 for the car. Ms. Cabrera initially paid the money but believed that they were together, and that she was taking care of her when she was injured. Judge Judy expressed her frustration with the case and ultimately decided to cut a check directly to the Department of Social Services, as Ms. Lauderdale was receiving welfare benefits. She instructed them to take the money owed from the check. The case was concluded, and the judge dismissed it.